Morning. Just brought myself up to the Abbey, which is not far from my place, and just had a little walk around, said a few prayers. I think the world needs a bit of that now. Just relaxing now, having a nice cuppa. Sometimes you don't have to go out far in your van, do you? You just have to find somewhere quiet and just relax. For me, that's what it's all about. I don't know if you've seen the post I put up the other week about what I've had with my recent injury. I've had the go-ahead now anyway to get back out on the trails. So starting from tomorrow, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll be back out on the trails, working my way up to longer and longer trails as the year goes on. And hopefully next May, I'll be back off to the Camino and doing that walk across Spain again for the third time. So it's a personal challenge of mine. This year I'm going to get myself up to Scotland, down to Wales, see some family down there, maybe get myself over to Ireland. I should have done that last year, but I had an injury and yeah, it just didn't work out. But anyway, hopefully things will be getting better now. The lighter nights are here, the sun is shining today. So just wanted to come on and say thanks to everybody for joining my page on Facebook, Travels in My Van, and for joining my adventure list, which is a newsletter basically. Gives you all the new walks and hikes and everything that's going to go on the Tim V Discovery app. So the Tim V app is basically an app that allows you to go on there, look for walks and hikes, dog walks and pushchair friendly walks and family friendly waterfall walks, all sorts of different walks and hikes. And then you can just go on there, search it, press the card that pops up, and it will give you the directions to get to the start of the walk. Also you can search for caravan sites, campsites, and things to do. So maybe you'll go to Castleton, you'll search a campsite and one will come up and you'll stay there, and then you'll go for a walk and hike that you'll search for. And then also there's things to do, which is you can put in things to do around that area. Maybe it's paddle boarding, or maybe you're down Cornwall and you can put in surfing, and it'll come up with all the surf clubs that are in that area. The beauty of it is on there's a thing called My List. So every time you look at something, you can press add to my list, and it will actually, then you press my list, and there are all the things you've added to it: the campsites, the walks, the places to go, the things to do. And then also on that my list, you can then hit share and send that to your friends or your walking group, and that'll tell them exactly what you've picked for an itinerary for that day, that weekend, or that week. And it's all free. So get yourself over to travelsinmyvan.com. There'll be a link below this to the exact page, and just look around it and just see what you can see. Let me know if you think there should be something on there, and I'll add it. So it's all free. I do it for nothing. So if you're out today, have a nice cuppa, enjoy it, maybe say a prayer for the world. Anyway, look after yourself.